Ah, miei cari lettori, che spettacolo di tristezza e ineluttabile verità. Il giovane Lord Anthony, pur essendo follemente innamorato della bella Siena, è costretto a separarsi da lei non per una mancanza di affetto, ma per un dettaglio davvero banale, i suoi doveri.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I'm feeling so small. Rose of a man, but nothing at all. And I stumble and fall. Still I need to know just started to grow. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I would follow you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I swallow my pride. You're the one that I love, and I'm saying